Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 20 October 2024. So we'll start from class 5th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. First question. In first question it is said which of the following scientist has discovered force? So we know that a famous scientist Sir Isaac Newton have discovered the force and gave 3 laws of motion. So our correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 2. In question number 2, it is said pick out the odd one. As we can see in the options, wind, solar and thermal are the forms of energy. So the odd one is mass energy. That means option D is our correct answer. Next question. Question number 3. In question number 3, what is the SI unit of force? So options are Newton, Dyne, Pascal and bar. We know that bar is unit of pressure, Pascal is also unit of pressure, Dyne is CGS unit of force, Newton is SI unit of force. So our correct answer is option A. Next, question number 4. Question number 4 is a assertion reason question. So the assertion, if the total external force on a body is 0, then its acceleration is 0. Yes, we know that F is given by mass into acceleration. If force is 0, then we can see mass into acceleration is equals to 0. That means one of these two quantity will be 0. Mass of any object will never be 0. That means acceleration is 0. So assertion is a true statement. Reason, acceleration does not depend on the force. Acceleration depends on force. We can see from this formula. So reason is false. So our correct answer is assertion is true but reason is false. So option C is our correct answer. Next, question number 5, which is a match the following question. Okay, so let's see. Heat energy. So in first column heat energy is given, so we have to match it with column 2. So we know that electric iron produces heat energy. So for P I will write 2. Sound energy, we can see for sound energy we can write radio, so I will write 1. Light energy, bulb produces light energy, so for light energy I will write 4. Mechanical energy, we know that electric motor is connected to mechanical energy, so I will write 3. So correct code is 2143. 2143, that means option D is our correct answer. Next question, that is based on a paragraph. In paragraph situation is given and on the basis of that we have to answer which type of resources cannot be replenished over time. We know that the non-renewable resources cannot be replenished over time, so our correct answer is option B. Next, in question number 7, which one is a non-renewable energy sources? Out of these 4 we have to find which is a non-renewable energy source. We can see wind, water and geothermal, these are renewable energy source, but petroleum is non-renewable. So our correct answer is option A. Okay, so we have discussed all the questions of physics part. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel. You can also join our WhatsApp channel. The link of WhatsApp channel is provided in the description of this video. If you have any type of doubt in any question, then click on ask a doubt button which is provided in your MOF profile. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on Matrix YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the MOF paper solution for class 5th which was conducted on 20th October 2024. So the question is, acid rain is caused due to the oxides of. Basically, acid rain is caused by the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. The different oxides of sulfur like sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. If you're talking about the nitrogen, then the different oxides of nitrogen like nitrogen dioxide, nitric oxide. So these are acidic in nature because we know that there are the 2 types of the oxides, acidic oxide and basic oxides. The oxides which are generally made up by the non-metals are known as the acidic oxide, and the oxide which are made up by the metals that are known as the basic oxide. Why it is? Because when we add any SO2, like SO2 is a oxide which is made by the non-metal. So when non-metals react with water, then it produce H2SO3. This is sulfurous acid, and if sulfur trioxide react with water, then it produce H2SO4. Means the oxides of non-metals create acids when it combined with water. So the sulfur and nitrogen oxides are harmful for us because they create the different acids. So the question is, acid rain is caused due to the oxides of hydrogen? No. Sulfur and nitrogen? Yes. Only sulfur? No. Only nitrogen? No. So the oxides of the sulfur and nitrogens are basically acidic in nature. So these are the main, or we can say these are the main sources for the acid rain. So the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, the cleaners of nature are, first is option A is producers, option B is consumers, option C is herbivorous, and option D is decomposers. We know that the decomposers are natural cleaners because the decomposers break down the dead organic parts like plants and animals, and they decomposed that substances. So because of that, decomposers are known as the natural cleaners. So the option D is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is assertion reason type question. Now let's see the assertion statement. The assertion statement is, air can be liquefied by cooling under pressure. We know that when we increases the pressure and decreases the temperature, then air will be converted into liquid state, and this process is known as a liquefaction or liquefied. Okay, so this is a true statement. So now let's see the next. The reason is, liquids have stronger interparticle forces of attraction and smaller interparticle distance than gases. Yes, there are the three types of the substances: solid, liquid and gas. If we discuss about the solid, in the solid, the interparticle forces are strongest than liquid and gas, and liquid have the stronger interparticle forces of attraction and smaller interparticle distance than gases. So this is also a true statement, but this statement not explain the assertion. Assertion is also true statement, reason is also true statement, but the reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Now let's see the option. The option first is, both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is a correct explanation of assertion. Yes, both the reason and assertion are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So the option A is the wrong option. Now let's see the B. B is, both assertion and reason are the true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. Yes, it is completely a right option. Now next is, assertion is true and the reason is false. It is completely wrong, and assertion is false and reason is true. It is also a wrong option. So the B is the right option. Assertion statement is true, reason also true, but reason not correctly explain the assertion. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. In the column first, P is renewable energy, Q is fossil fuels, R is greenhouse gases, and S is non-renewable energy. Now let's see the column second. In the column second, first is pollution caused by the factories and cars. We know that the pollution caused by the factories and cars directly and indirectly by the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane and all this. So the first match with R, greenhouse gases. Now the next is energy from the sources that will run out. So the energy from the sources that will run out are known as the non-renewable energy, and it is also known as the dirty energy because it is the main reason of the pollution. Now the next is energy obtained from the sun. So the energy obtained from the sun is known as the renewable energy. Next is energy sources obtained from the dead plants and animals over the millions of years are known as the fossil fuels. So now let's see the answer. The P match with third, then the Q, fossil fuels, match with the fourth option. Now the next R, greenhouse gases are the pollution caused by the factories and cars. So it means it match with the first. And if we're talking about the S, non-renewable energy, so the non-renewable energy is energy from the sources that will run out and which is harmful for our environment is 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. It means the C option is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is paragraph based question. So let's see the paragraph. The paragraph is matter around us exists in three forms. These are called solid, liquid and gas. We can classify the constituents of body into these three states. These states of matter are different from each other on the basis of some of the properties like force of attraction, intermolecular spaces, density, compressibility, etc. The interconversion of these three states can achieved by changing temperature and pressure. Okay, now let's see the question. The question is, which one of the following statement is not true? Okay, now let's see the first statement. The first statement is the particle of the solid keep on vibrating around their mean positions. Yes, it is completely a true statement. We know that the particle of the solids keep on vibrating mode. Okay, they don't escape, or we can say they don't leave their position, but they can vibrating around their mean position. So in the question which one of the following is not the true statement, but it is a true statement, so it is completely wrong option. Now let's see the B. The particles of a liquid are arranged in a regular space. No, the particle of the solids are arranged in a regular space. So this is completely a true statement, but according to question, this is a right option. Now, next is the particles of a gas occupy all the available space. It is completely a true statement, but here we find out not true statement, so it is completely wrong option. Now, the next is the particles of a gas exerts pressure on the walls of the vessel containing them. It is also a right statement. Okay, so the option B is the right option for this question, because the particles of a liquid are arranged in a regular space, not in the liquid, it is present in the solid. So the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next. The next question is, for the next question, the paragraph is same, but the question is different. Now let's see the question. The question is, which of the following state have very large intermolecular space? We know that there are the three types of the substances: solid, liquid and gas. The forces of attraction, or we can say the intermolecular space, solid have the weakest, or we can say the intermolecular space in the solid is very less, but the intermolecular forces in the solid is higher than liquid and gas. But which of the following state have the very large intermolecular space? So the gaseous particles have the very large intermolecular space than the liquid and solid. Now let's see the option. The option A is solid. No, it is completely wrong. Liquid, wrong. Gas, yes, gas is the right option. Now the last one is both A and B. So the option C is the right option for this question. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, any query regarding any question, so there is one more option, ask a doubt. So for more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can join our WhatsApp channel also, and you can subscribe our YouTube channel also. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for biology portion. Let's start. Question number first. Microorganisms that can cause disease are called. Option first, pathogen. Second, decomposer. Third, producer. And last, parasite. Microbe that cause disease called pathogen, because pathogen enter into the host body and cause disease. But decompose complex material into simple, and producers are plants, and parasite depend on another host body inside or outside for nutrition. But pathogen cause disease. So right option is option A. A is correct answer for this question. Next, which of the following microorganism is used in the production of curd? Yeast, that is not used for curd formation. Next, bacteria. Bacteria mean to say LAB bacteria, LAB, lactobacillus bacteria used in formation of curd. And virus, no. Protozoa, no. Right option is B. B is correct. Next, which of the following is not a component of blood? Blood contain plasma and cells. Plasma and cells. Cells, platelet, RBC, WBC, and plasma. So, option D is wrong. Option D is correct for this but wrong for blood. Not a component of blood. Correct answer is option D, enzyme. Next, assertion A. The kidney are vital organ in the excretory system. That is right, because kidney filter blood and form urine. Urine formation by kidney, because blood filtrate, because after filtration urine are formed. Next, reason. Kidney filter blood, remove waste product or particle, and regulate fluid balance in body. That is correct. So according to assertion and reason, assertion is right and reason are right. Both assertion and reason are right, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion. Option A is correct for this question. Option A is right. Next question is, match column first and second. Column first, protect the brain. Brain protect by skull. Skull. P4. Next, secrete hormone. Hormone. Endocrine gland. Endocrine gland. Then Q, match with first. Next, remove liquid and waste by urinary system. Form of urine. R, match with second. And next, transmit information by nerve cell as third. 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. Option B is correct for this question. Next, paragraph for question 19 and 20. Microorganisms are tiny living organisms. They include bacteria, virus, fungus, and protozoa. Despite their small size, microorganisms play a crucial role in various ecosystems, like decompose, like formation of so many things. So, according to paragraph, first question, 19 question, what is the main characteristics of microorganism? Option first, they are visible to the naked eye. No. Option second, they can only be seen under a microscope. That is right. And they are plant. Wrong. And they are not essential in ecosystem. They are essential for ecosystem. So this is wrong. Option B is correct for this question. Option B is right. Next, 20th. Which of the following is not caused by microbe? Option first, typhoid, that is caused by Salmonella typhi. Common cold caused by virus, rhinovirus. Malaria caused by Plasmodium. and cancer caused by physical, chemical object. So cancer is right option for this question. Mean to say not caused by microbe, cancer. D option. These are the all solution for class 5th biology. For more updates, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 2024th edition of Matrix Olympiad. So today I am here to discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 5th for math subject. So without wasting time, let's start it. So here we have question number 21st, that is a sculpture picture given below is made of two sizes of rectangular prisms. So here we have given two rectangular prisms, that is this one and again this one. One size measure that is 13 inch by 8 inch by 2 inch and the other size measures that is 9 inch by 8 inch by 18 inch. So we have to find the total volume of that sculptures. So let's, for one size that is 13 inch, it means the length of this one that is 13 and the width that is 8 inch and the height that is 2 inch. And if I talk about other size means that is 9 inch by 8 inch by 18 inch. So I here that one, this one is 18 inch and this one is 8 inch and the length that is 9 inch. So I can say that total volume. So how many prism are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 multiply by, for prism A के लिए plus 1 and 2. So I can say that 2 multiply by prism B. It means the volume of prism B. So simple. 6 multiply volume, we have to find the LBH. So here we have given length that is 13 multiply by 8 multiply by 2 plus 2 multiply by 18 multiply by 9 multiply by 8. So here 18 multiply by 9 multiply by 8. So simply we have to solve this one. So here 6. If I multiply here, so 8 to ja 16. So 13 multiply by 16 plus 2 bracket 18 multiply by 9 8 ja 72. So here I get 72. So simple, if I solve this one, so here I get answer that is 3840 inch cube. So check which option is correct. So here option number D is the correct answer over here. Now next question. A rectangular tank with base area is 24 centimeter square is filled with water and oil to a depth of 9 centimeter. The oil and water separated into two layers. When the oil rises to the top, if the thickness of the oil layer is 4 centimeter, then what is the volume of water? So if I talk about this one, so here we have given height that is total 9 centimeter and you know this one part is the oil. So we have to find the volume of water. We have to find the volume of water. So I can say that volume of water is equal to volume of tank minus volume of oil. So volume of tank, I can say that length multiply breadth multiply height minus volume of oil, that is length multiply breadth multiply height. So length multiply breadth, that is called the area of base. So here we have given area of base that is 24. So 24 multiply by height of tank, that is 9 centimeter. So I take 9 minus volume of oil, which is again same with the base of tank, multiply height of oil, that is we have given here, that is 4 centimeter. So if I multiply here 4, so I take common 24. So here I get 9 minus 4. So if I subtract this one, so here I get 24 multiplied by 5. So here 5 4 ja 20. So 0 carry 2, 5 2 ja 10 and 2 120 centimeter cube, that is the volume of water. So check which option is correct. 120 centimeter cube, that is the volume of water. So now if I talk of next question, that is a diagram of two right rectangular prisms, each made with unit cubes as shown below. It means we have given first key, that is the cube, so the volume of one cube, that is 1 cube unit. So here we have to find the volume of prism A and prism B. So first I can see the total volume is equal to volume of 1 cube multiply number of cubes. So check how many number of cubes are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, 9, 18 and 9, 27 and 27 and 9, 36. So we have given number of cubes, that is 36, multiply by volume of 1 cube, we have given 1 cube unit. So 1 cube unit. So if I multiply here, so I get 36 cubic unit, that is the whole volume of prism A and B. So check which option is correct here. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is a book fair was organized in a city for 5 days. The table below show the number of visitors in the book fair each day. So here we have given number of days and here we have given number of visitors. So here we have to find how many visitors visit in the fair. So 4 visitors, we have to total all the number of visitors. So total number of visitors. So we have to add all these numbers. So first we have given day first, that is 8001. Day second, that is we have given 115311. Day 3, that is given 185524. Day 4, that is given 246922. And day 5, that is given 290761. Now we have add all these numbers. So here we get 918519 total number of visitors. So here check which option is correct. 918519. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I take about next question, that is a teacher wrote these expressions on a board. So here we have expressions, that is 64 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 minus 3. So I write here 64 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 minus 3. The teacher asked the students to add one set of parentheses to the expressions so that the value of the new expressions is 5. So question is, which of the following expressions has a value of 5? So we have to simplify this one and we have to find the value of 5. So if I talk about option number A, that is 64 divided by 4 to 8, 8 minus 3, that is 5. So here division is not possible. If I talk about next one, 64 divided by 2, that is 32 multiply by 4 minus 3. So if I multiply here, I get answer, that is 125. This is also not wrong. This one is also wrong. If I talk about third one, 64 divided by 4 to 8 minus 3. So here I get 8 minus 3, that is 5. So here we have to find the value, that is 5. So this one is correct. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is on a straight road 4 cities are there, A, B, C, D. So let's assume we have a straight road like this one and we have 4 cities here. Let A, this one is B, this is C city and this one is D city. Distance between B to D is 39 kilometer. It means we have to given B to D distance, that is 39 kilometer. Between A to C, that is 27 kilometer. Between A to C, here we have A, city A, and here we have city C. So the distance between this one is 27 kilometer. And the distance between C to D is 15 kilometer. So here we have C and here we have D. And the distance between this one is, here we are given 15 kilometer. Now we have to find the distance from A from B. So this one is we have to find. So if I talk about total distance from A to D, that is 27 plus 15. If I add this one, so 7 plus 5, that is 12. Carry 1, 2 and 1 3, 3 and 1 4. So here we have get 42 kilometer. Now we have to find AB distance. So I can say that A to D total distance, that is equal to A to B plus B to D distance. So here A to D we have given, that is 42 kilometer, and A to B we have to find, plus B to D, that is we have given 39 kilometer. So if I transfer here, so 42 minus 39, that is 3 kilometer. It means point A is 3 kilometer far from point B. So here 3 kilometer, option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, Lerina and Tabitha are finding this one, and who is the correct? So here we have given 9 and 1 by 2 minus 3. So this one is a mixed fraction. First we have convert into simple fraction. So here 9 to 18, 18 plus 1, 19 upon 2 minus 3 upon 1. We take LCM. So I can say that 19 minus 6. So here I get 13 upon 2. 13 upon 2, that is 6 to 12. Carry 1, 6 and 1 by 2. So check which option is correct, 6 and 1 by 2. So here Tabitha is correct. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is find the measure of angle FGK. So where is angle FGK? FGK to the nearest degree. So I can say that if I talk about angle FGH, if I talk about angle FGH, that is equal to the sum of angle this one and this one. So here angle FGK plus angle KGH. So angle KGH. So simple. FGH we have given FGS, that is 0, 1, 2, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 and 130. So the value of angle FGS, that is 130 degree. And we have to find angle FGK. So angle FGK we have to find, and the measure of angle KGH, that is 45 degree approx. So I can say 45 degree. So here if I subtract here, so I can say that if I transfer here, so 130 minus 45 degree is equal to angle FGK. So the value of angle FGK, that is 90, that is 85 degree. So 85, option number B is the correct answer over here. So now next question is that calculate the area of the given figure. So here we have given a figure and we have to calculate this area. So first if I merge this one, so here I get a square, and this one is a trapezium. So if I add first the area of a square and we calculate the area of trapezium, and if I add both these, then I get the total answer. So I can say that area of figure, that I can say that area of square plus area of trapezium. So we know area of square, that is side square multiply area of trapezium, that is 1 by 2 multiply, so here we get plus, multiply sum of parallel side multiply by h4 height. So here we have given total, that is 7 centimeter, and this one is 4, so remaining part I can say that this one is 3. So here we have given this one is the 10 centimeter, and the total, that is one is 4, and this one is 1, so remaining this is 3. So side we have given square, that is 4, so side square plus 1 by 2 multiply sum of parallel side. One side, that is 10 plus another side, that is 4 plus 3 7 multiply by height. Height we have given, that is again 3. So simple, if I solve this one, so here 4 square that is 16 plus 10 plus 7, so 1 by 2 multiply by 17 multiply by 3. So here 16 plus 1 by 2 multiply by 17 3 ja 51. So I can say that, so here I can solve 16 plus 51 upon 2. If I take LCM here, so I can say that 32 plus 51 upon 2. So here I get 83 upon 2. So if I divide here, so I get 41.5 centimeter square. So 41.5 centimeter square. So option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is, look carefully at this hexagonal grid. If one side of each regular hexagon is 2 meter, then the perimeter of the shaded area. So here we have given shaded area, we have to find the perimeter. So we know formula of perimeter, that is equal to sum of all sides. So simple, we have to count how many number of sides are here, and each side having 2 meter length. So check for the, we have to count for shaded area. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 20 21 22 23 24 25 and 26. So number of sides, that is 26, and the length of one side, that is 2 meter. So if I multiply this one, so 6 2 12, carry 1, 2 2 4 and 52 meter. So perimeter of shaded area, that is 52 meter. So 52 meter, option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is, the area of large rectangle is 336 centimeter square. If all the smaller rectangles are exactly same, it means this rectangle is same with this one is same with this one, so all these are identical rectangles. Then the perimeter of one small rectangle. So for perimeter we have to find the length and breadth of a small rectangle. So here we have given length, and now we have to find the breadth. So first we have to find the total length of this one. So we know area of rectangle, and this one is we have to given, that is 336. So area of rectangle, that is length multiply breadth, is equal to 336. Here we have given length, that is 12. So I can say the length here we have to find, and we have to given breadth, that is 12 centimeter. So 12 is equal to 336. So length, that is 336 divided by 12. So if I divide here, so I get 12 1 12, 12 2 24. 12 2 24. Remaining we have to 9 and 9 and 6, so 12 8 96. So I can say that the length, that is 28 centimeter. And in 28 centimeter we know that this one is the 12, and let's assume this one is the x and this one is the x, because all having same dimension. So I can say that x plus x plus 12 plus x, which is equal to 28. So x 2x 3x 4x. So value of 4x plus 12 is equal to 28. So value of 4x is equal to 28 minus 12. So here we get 4x is equal to 16. So here value of x is equal to 4. It means for a small rectangle, the breadth, that is 4. So we have to find the perimeter. For perimeter we know 2 bracket length plus breadth. So 2 bracket length we have given, that is 12 centimeter. And breadth we have to find here, that is 4 centimeter. So here 2 multiplied 12 plus 4, that is 16, and 16 2 ja 32 centimeter. So the perimeter of one small rectangle, that is 32 centimeter. So check which option is correct. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now next question is that I am the least composite odd number more than 50. Yani we have a number which is more than 50. Okay, divisible by 3 and 17, and that number is completely divisible by 3 and 17, and 4 less than a multiple of 5 and 11. So first we have to find multiple of 5 and 11, that is 55, and we have less than 4. So if I subtract 4 here, so I get that number is, that is 51. What is number mi? So 51 is the divisible by 3, and this one is also divisible by 17. So I can say the answer is 51. So here option number A is the correct answer, and 51 is the composite number. So now next question is that Mr. Sharma bought a set of 80 stamps. She wanted to give all the stamps to her students as a reward. She could give equal number of stamps. So here we give total number, a set of stamps, that is 80 stamps. So we can solve with the help of options for 2 and 3. So I can say that 2 is divisible by 80, but 3 is not divisible by completely 80. So this one is wrong. So if I talk about second one, 2 is completely divisible by 80, but 6 is not completely divisible by 80. So this one is also wrong. If I talk about third one, 2, 4, 5, all these are the factor of 80. So here this one is the correct answer. So here option number C is the correct answer. So here we can say that 9 is not a factor of 80, and here 6 is not a factor of 80. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now next question is that if 16 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 48. Yes, this one is true. Then which of the following statement is true? So 16 is a factor of 3. 16 is a factor of 3. No, this one is wrong. 3 is a factor of 16. This one is wrong. 48 is a factor of 16, and this one is also wrong. 16 and 3 are the factor of 48. Yes, so option number D is the correct answer here, because 16 and 3 is the factor of 48. So if I talk about next question, that is a ladder is placed again a wall and shown below. So here we have given ladder, we have here wall, and we have ground. If the feet of the ladder, feet, that means this one, are pulled towards east side. If I pull this one to here, then the top is also decreased. Okay, that they remains on the ground only. Which statement best describe the effect on inside the angle between then the wall and ladder? So here if I talk about angle, so this one is, we can say that this one is acute angle, and if we pulled here towards east side, so again this one is makes a acute angle. So the inside angles between the wall and the ladder will still an acute angle. Yes, I can say this one is true. If I talk about next one, the inside angle between the wall and the ladder will still another obtuse angle. So obtuse angle not possible. Again here obtuse angle to the right angle not possible. Will change from acute to right angle. This is not possible. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now next question is that Anish draw a figure as shown. So here we have given a figure. He says that UT is perpendicular bisector of GH. So UT is perpendicular bisector of GH. So I can say if this one is a perpendicular, so this make here angle 90 degree. So angle TKH here 90 degree, and this one is 90 degree, and it's bisect into equal parts. So I can say the value of GH is equal to 2 times of value of GK. Okay, we have condition 1, condition 2. I can say both conditions are satisfied. So both conditions together are sufficient, but neither condition 1 alone is sufficient. So if I talk about this one, so I can say the option number A is the correct answer over here. So now next question is that there are 21 children in a class. 24 children in class 2, 32 children in class 3. So here 21 children in class 1, 24 children in class 2, and 32 children in class 3. 30 children are in class 4, and 18 children in class 5 of Matrix High School. Okay, the daily cost of the midday meal for each children is ₹4. Arrange the problem solving steps below in the correct order. Find the 22 school days monthly cost of midday meal for the school. So here we have given steps, and we have to arrange this one with the help of this equation. So first here we have to find the total number of students. So first total number of student. Now for class 1 number of students are 21. If I talk about for class 2 number of students are 24. For class 3rd number of students are 32. For class 4 number of students are 30, and for class 5th number of students, you can say, are also children, that is 18. So if I add all these numbers, so here I get 32 plus 18, that is 450. 50 plus 30, 80. 100, 120 and 125. So we have total number of students, that is 125. So now next one, the cost of, we have given cost of one child, that is rupees 4. Now cost of one day for 125 child, that is 125 multiplied by 4. So here if I multiply this one, so here I get 5 4 ja 20, carry 2, and 4 2 ja 8, and carry 2, that is 10, again carry 1, and 4 1. So here one day cost for 125 children, that is 500 rupees. So here we have to find for 22 school days. So cost of 22 school days, that is we have to multiply this one. So 22 multiply the cost of one day. So here I get 0 0, 5 2 ja 10, and again here I get carry 1, 5 2 ja 10, and 1 11. So here I get cost, that is 11,000 rupees. Now check the sequence. First we have to find the total number of students. So where is total number of students? So calculate the total number of students in different classes. So here I can set this one is S. Now the cost of one child, that is rupees 4. The daily cost of per child, that is rupees 4. So here I can set this one is the R. Now we find the cost of one day for 125 children. So cost of midday meal for one day, that is 125 multiplied 4, that is 500. So here I can set this one is the P. Now we find the cost of, now we have to find here the cost of 22 school days, that is 11,000. So I can set this one is T, and last one is Q. The 24 school days monthly, the cost of midday meal is 11,000. So here last one is the Q. So check S R P T Q. So here S R P T Q, option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is arrange the steps below in correct order to find the prime factorization of 60. So here we have to find the prime factorization of 60. So for prime factorization we have to first express 60 as the product of two number. Yeah, we can say that the continuous still all the factors are prime numbers. No, this one is not false. So first we have to express here in product of two numbers. So I can say that 15 multiplied by 4. So yes, first we here we solve with the step of S, then the factorize 4 and 15 further since they are composite numbers. So here I can say 15 and 4 both are composite number. So we have to factorize again. So I can say this one is the 5 multiplied by 3, and 4 2, we can say that 2 multiplied by 2. So all these are now prime numbers. So prime factorization of 60, this one is 60 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply S. First we take S, then we take P, and we continue till all factors are prime. So S P R, and last one is Q. So S P R Q, check S P R Q. So here option number A is the correct answer. Now next question is that is based on assertion or reason. So here we have given assertion, that is 100 multiplied by 1 by 2 degree is an acute angle. So first we have to simplify this one. So 100 multiplied by 1 by 2 degree, that is 2 1 2, 2 5 10, and 50. So 50 degree, we can say that this is an acute angle. So assertion is true. If I talk about reason, that is 50 degree is less than 90 degree. Yes. And greater than 0 degree. Yes, this one is also true. And so this is called an acute angle. Yes, the definition of acute angle is correct. And this is the correct explanation of assertion. So we can say that both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here option number A is the correct answer. Now next question is that which is again based on assertion or reason. So here we have given a assertion, that is a rectangle and a square with same perimeter have the same area. So here we have condition, that is same perimeter. So let's first we draw a rectangle and then we draw a square. Let's assume we have a rectangle that length is 2 centimeter and the breadth is 6 centimeter. Now here we take a square, that is side is 4 centimeter. So first we have to find perimeter of rectangle. So 2 bracket length plus breadth. So here I get 2 bracket 8, that is 16 centimeter. If I talk about perimeter of a square, that is 4 multiplied by side. So 4 multiplied 4, that is 16. So I can say that perimeter is same. Now if I talk about area, so area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So here we have given length, that is 6, and we have given breadth, that is 2. So 6 2 ja 12 square unit. Now if I talk about this one, area, that is side square, it means 4 square, that is 16 square unit. So here perimeter we have same, but it's not necessary that the area is always same. So I can say that this one is false. So next, area of a square, that is side multiplied by side, this one is true, and this is not the correct explanation of this one. So I can say that assertion is false and reason is true. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on true or false. So here we have given 4 statements and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So first statement, that is a ray extends infinitely in one direction. Yes, this one is true. Parallel lines never intersect. Yes, this one is also true. Perpendicular line intersect at 45 degree angle. No, perpendicular lines are intersect at 90 degree angle. So I can say this one is also false. An angle bisector divides an angle into 2 equal parts. So this one is also true. So here true, true, false, true. So true, true, false, true. So true, true, false, true. Here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is are true or false. Again we have given 4 statements and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So first is every natural number has a unique prime factorization. So every natural number has a unique prime factorization. So I can say this one is true. Every prime number greater than 3 can be expressed as the sum of 2 odd prime numbers. So let's assume we have a prime number which is greater than 3, that is 7, and sum of odd, and this 7 is the sum of odd 2 prime numbers. So here we take a prime number 3 and we take n prime number 5. Both are odd numbers, so sum, that is 8. So this one is not possible. So I can say this one is false. If I talk about third one, the multiplying 2 prime number always results is a composite number. So we have to prime number 3 and 5. If I multiply this one, so here I get 15, and 15 is a, I can say that, composite number. So this one is true. If I talk about next one, the number 0 is a multiple of every integer. So the number 0 is a multiple of every integer. So this one is not possible. So 1 is the multiple of every integer. So TF, TF. So check TF, TF. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on true or false statements. So here we have given statement number 1, that is the perimeter of an isosceles triangle with side A and B is 2A plus B. So this one is an isosceles triangle and this one side is equal, this one is not. So let's assume this one is A, again A, and this one is B. So perimeter, there is sum of all sides. So A plus B. So A plus A, here we have 2A plus B. So perimeter of isosceles triangle, that is 2A plus B. So I can say that this one is true. If I talk about next one, the perimeter of a rhombus with side length 16 centimeter is 16 square centimeter. So for perimeter we can't find the square centimeter unit, we can use only for centimeter. So this one is also false. The perimeter of a regular octagon with side length 6 centimeter is 8 multiplied 6. A regular octagon having number of sides 8. So I can say this one is true. The area of a triangle can be found using formula 1/2 multiply base multiply height. Yes, we can find the area of triangle. So this one is also true. So here we have true, false, true, true. So T, F, T, T. So check which option is correct. T, F, T, T. So option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. So we have to match this one. So first if I observe here, so I can say this one is the parallel lines. So P is connected to 3. Now if I talk about next one, that is Q, and these lines are intersecting lines. So Q is connected to 4. So here Q is connected to 4. Third one, I can say that R, this is the coincident lines. So R is connected to 2, and remaining S, that is connected to 1, because this one is called the concurrent lines. So 3, 4, 2, 1. So check where is 3, 4, 2, 1. So 3, 4, 2, 1. Here option number C is the correct answer. Now next question is that match column 1 and column 2 and select correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have to column 2. Simple. We have to simplify first column 1 with the help of Bodmas rule, and then we have to simplify column 2. So now here we have given first P, that is 4 minus 3 multiply by 4 plus 5 plus 24 minus 3. So first we have to simplify. So 4 minus 3, here we get 1. 1 multiply by 4, that is we get 4. 4 plus 5, 9. And 9 plus 24, here we get 33. So 33 minus 3, that is 30. So if we simplify here, so I get answer that is 30. If I talk about Q, that is 8 divided by 4 plus 3 plus 14 minus 8 multiply by 7. So simple. 4, if I divide here, so I get 2, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, that is 5, plus 14 minus 8, here I get 6, and 6 7 ja 42. So here I get answer that is 47. So the solution of Q is 47. If I talk about R1, that is 8 multiply 3, so 8 3 ja 24, plus if I divide here, so I get 10 minus 7. So here 24 plus 3, that is 27. So here I get, if I talk, so here first for S, for Q we get 47, for P we get 30, for R we get 27. So for S, 3 minus 3, that is 0, and here we get 3, plus if I divide here, then I get 3, plus 7 multiply by 8 2 ja. If I divide here, then I get 2. So 8 2 ja 16. So simple. 3 plus 14. 7 2 ja 14. So here I get 17. Now we have to solve column 2. So if I talk about column 2, so first one is 5 multiply by 2, that is 10, plus 11 plus 8, that is 19, minus 9 divided by here, so I get 2. So here I get 29 minus 2. So here I get that is 27. So check where is 27. So the value of R is equal to 27 and the value of first, that is 27. So I can say that R is connected to 1. So here I write here R is connected to 1. Okay. Now if I talk about next one, that is 9 plus 4 multiply by 16 divided by 4, that is 4 minus 8. So here 19 plus 4 4 ja 16 minus 8. So here I get 9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8, that is 17. So check where is 17. S is connected to second one. So S is connected to second one. So I can say that RS is connected to second one. So now we have to solve third one. So here third, that is 36 divided by 9 plus 48 minus 10 divided by 2. So here if I divide here 36 divided by 9, so 9 4 ja 36 plus 48 minus 5. So here I get 48 minus 1, that is 47. So where is 47? Q is connected to third. So I can say that Q is connected to third one. So Q is connected to third. And last remaining we have to given this one 4. 14 divided by 2. So here I get 7 plus 9 plus if I subtract here, so I get 7. 7 multiplied by 2, that is 14. So here 21 plus 9, that is 30. It means P is connected to 4. So P is connected to 4. So 4, 3, 1, 2. So check where is correct answer. 4, 3, 1, 2. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. So first, the difference of HCF and LCM of 12 and 16 is. So if I talk about P, first we have to find LCM of 12 and 16, then we have to find the HCF of 12 and 16. So let's start. So here we get 12, here we get 16. So first for 2, 6 and 8, again we take 2, 3 and 4. So I can say the HCF is 4 and LCM is 4 4 is 16, 16 3 is 48. So we have to find difference. So difference, that is 48 minus 4, that is 44. So check where is 44. So I can say that P is connected to third one. So P is connected to third one. 17 less than the sixth multiple of 16. It means the sixth multiple of 16 minus 17. So 6 6 is 36, carry 3 and 96 minus 17. So if I subtract here, so I get answer, that is 9 and 7. So 79, where is 79? So I can say that Q is connected to 1. The largest 3-digit number that is divisible by. So largest 3-digit number, that is 999, and this one is divisible by 37. So R is connected to 4. And last one, sum of prime number between 90 and 100. So we know 97 is the only prime number which is lie between 97 to 100. So S is connected to 2. So answer is 3142. So where is 3142? 3142. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on paragraph. So here we have given a paragraph, that is Sally is asked to make a cuboid with side of length 7 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm. She runs out of cubes when she has made the shape of in the diagram. So here we have given a diagram. So what is the volume of shape she has made? So Sally made this diagram. So here we can say that the length, that is 5 cm, breadth, that is 3 cm and height, that is 4 cm. So for volume we know LBH, length multiply breadth multiply height. So here if I multiply all these numbers, so 5 multiply 3 multiply 4. So here 5 4 is 20, multiply by 3, that is 60 unit centimeter cube. So check which is where is 60 centimeter cube. So 60 centimeter cube. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on same paragraph. So here we have a paragraph. Sally is asked to make a cuboid with side of length 7 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm. She ran out of cubes when she has made the shape of the diagram. So here we have question, that is how many more cubes would she needed to make the required shape. So here we have to find the number of cubes that we have to require to complete this shape. So first we have to find the volume of 1 cube. So if I talk about this one, for 1 cube, the length, that is 1, here again that is 1 and here again 1, because here we have to 5 cm and we have 1 2 3 4 5 cube. Here we have 3 cm and here we have 3 cubes, and here we have 4 cm length and here we have 4 cube. It means a cube having 1 cm length, 1 cm breadth and 1 cm height. So volume of 1 cube is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height, which is 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, that is 1 centimeter cube. Now we know the volume of the whole cube, that is 60 centimeter cube. In previous question we have to solve this one and we have to So we have to find the volume of this cuboid. So volume of cuboid, that is 7 multiply 3 multiply 4. So 7 multiply 3 multiply 4. So here 7 3 is 21 multiply by 4. So here I get 84 centimeter cube. It means Sally has required the volume that is 84 centimeter cube, but he makes a cuboid which volume is 60 centimeters. So how many cubes are required to complete the whole cuboid? So I can say that required volume, that is 84 minus 60. So here I get that is 24 cube centimeter, and we have to find number of cubes. So if I divide the volume of one cube here, so I get the total number of cubes, that is 24. So where is 24? So here option number D is the correct answer. Now next question is that which is based on paragraph. So here we have given a paragraph, that is the gardener wants to make a square floor bed in the middle of a rectangular garden measuring 5 meter by 4 meter as shown in the figure below. Okay. In the rest of the area, he wants to plant ornamental shrubs if each side of the floor bed is 1.5 meter long. Then find the area of the following. So here, where is floor bed? So here this is the floor bed, and this the shape of the floor bed is in the form of square. So we have to find the area of a square. So I can say that area of square, that is side square, and the side, that is we have given 1.5 meter. So 1.5 meter square, it means 2.25 meter square. So check which option is correct. 2.25 meter square. So here option number B is the correct answer. Now next question is that which is based on again same paragraph. So here we have given a paragraph, that is the gardener wants to make a square floor bed in the middle of rectangular garden measuring 5 meter by 4 meter as shown in the figure below. So here in the rest of the area he wants to plant ornamental shrubs if each side of the floor bed is 1.5 meter long. Then find the area of the following. So here we have question, that is area in which he will plant ornamental shrubs. So for area, we can say that area of rectangle minus area of square. So we know area of rectangle, that is length multiply breadth, and minus area of square, that is side square. So here length we have given, that is 5 meter, and breadth, that is given 4 meter, minus side, that is 1.5 meter square. So here 5 4 20 minus 1.5 square, that is 2.25. So here if I subtract here, so that is 17.75 meter square. So check which option is correct. So here 17.1775. So here option number D is the correct answer over here. So if you have any inquiry, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning conducted on 20 October 2024. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. Find the next term of the given series. So series is 10, 15, 19. After 19 next term is 22. After 22 next is 24, and find the next term. So first find the pattern of the question. So what is the pattern used in this series? So if adding 10 plus 5, it means 15. Now adding plus 4, it means 19. Now adding plus 3, it means 22. Now adding 2, it means 22 plus 2, it means 24. Similarly, plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, now adding plus 1 in 24. Then we got next term of the series. So 24 plus 1, it means 25. So now here next term is 25.
So here option A is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the next alphabet. So series is B, E, H, K, N, and now next is missing. So first find the pattern of the series. So place value of B is 2. Place value of E in English alphabet is 5. Place value of H is 8. Place value of K is 11. Now place value of N is 14 in English alphabet. So pattern is 2 plus 3, it means 5. Now 5 plus 3, it means 8. Now 8 plus 3, it means 11. 11 plus 3, it means 14. Now similarly adding 3 in 14. So 14 plus 3, it means 17. So now here 17, it means Q, because place value of Q is 17 in English alphabet. So here missing alphabet is Q. Now here option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Rishabh starts walking towards the west. After walking 70 meter, he turns to the left and walks 35 meter straight. He turns left again and walks 30 meter. Again he turns to the left and walks a distance of 35 meter. How far is he from the starting point? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is the north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, and this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now according to question, Rishabh start walking towards the west. Let's suppose A is the starting point of Rishabh. Now Rishabh walking toward the west. He walking towards the west direction. After 70 meter, he turns to the left. Now here this is the left side of the Rishabh. Now Rishabh take a left turn and walks 35 meter Now after this he turns left again and walk 30 meter. He turns left again and walks 30 meter. Again he turns to the left. And walks a distance of 35 meter This is the left direction of the Rishabh from here, and this is the final point of Rishabh. Let's suppose B is the final point of Rishabh. So find the distance between starting point and end point. Now find the distance between A and B. So here distance between A and B is 70 minus 30. 70 minus 30, it means 40 meter. So distance between starting point and end point is 40 meter. So now here option D is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Find the correct mirror image of given figure when mirror is placed along with MN. Now here is mirror. The part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So this part is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror. So mirror image of this figure looks something like this. Okay, now first find the mirror image of this square, and now find the mirror image of this part. So this part in the mirror looks something like this. Okay, now find the mirror image of this part. So mirror image of this part looks something like this in the mirror. Now find the mirror image of this part. This parts in mirror looks something like this. So now here option A is the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Choose the correct water image from given alternatives. So find the water image of given combination. So water is always taken below the object. So now here is voter. First find the voter image of R. So voter image of R looks something like this. Now find the voter image of A. So this is the voter image of A. Now find the voter image of J. So this is the voter image of J. Now find the voter image of 5. So this is the voter image of 5. And now find the voter image of 8. So this is the voter image of 8. And now find the voter image of 9. So voter image of 9 looks something like this. Now find the voter image of D. So voter image of D, this is the voter image of D. Now again find the voter image of 8. So this is the voter image of 8. So this is the correct voter image of given combination. So now here option A is the correct voter image of given combination. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. In a class of 40 students, Ram ranks is 33 from the left and what is his rank from the right end? Find the Ram rank from the right side, and this is the left side of the Ram and this is the right side of the Ram. Ram's rank is 33 from the left end. Now find the Ram ranks from the right side. So given is total number of students in this class is equals to 40. So formula is position of Ram from the right side is equals to total number of students in this class minus position of Ram from the left plus 1. So total number of students is 40 minus position of Ram from the left side. So position of Ram from the left side is 33 plus 1. So 40 minus 33, 40 minus 33 it means 7, 7 plus 1 it means 8. So position of Ram from the right side is 8. So now here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. What should come in the place of question mark in the following equations? So now equation is 132 divided by 11 plus 6 multiplied by 12 plus 18 minus 64 divided by 16. Find the value of given equations. For first using BODMAS rule in this equation. So first solve the brackets. So solve the brackets. It means 132 divided by 11. 132 divided by 11 it means 12 plus. Now solve the next bracket. 6 multiplied by 12 it means 72 plus 18 minus. Now solve the next bracket. 64 divided by 16. 64 divided by 16 it means 4. Now adding the numbers. So 12 plus 72 it means 84. 84 plus 18 it means 102 minus 4. 102 minus 4 it means 98. So value of given equation is 98. So now here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. Now next question is question number 58. If A means plus, now B means minus, C means multiply by, now and D means divided by, then what is the value of given equation? So equation is 16. C means multiply by 12. Now 12. B means minus 6. D, after 6 next is D. So D means divided by 2. After 2 next is A means plus 17. Now find the value of given equation. So first divide the numbers according to BODMAS. So 16 multiplied by 12 minus 6 divided by 2 it means 3 plus 17. Now multiply the numbers. 16 multiplied by 2, 16 multiplied by 12. 16 multiplied by 12, it means 192 minus 3 plus 17. 192 minus 3, it means 189 plus 17. 189 plus 17, it means 206. So now here value of given equation is 206. It means option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Now next question is question number 59. Amit ranked 7th place from the top and 26th place from the bottom in his class. How many students are there in the class? So in a class, now here is Amit. Now position of Amit from the top is 7th and position of Amit from the bottom is 26. Now how many students are there in the class? Find the total number of students in his class. So find the number of students in his class. So formula is position from the top plus position from the bottom minus 1. So position from the top is 7th. So position of Amit from the top is 7 plus position of Amit from the bottom is 26 minus 1. 7 plus 26, it means 33 minus 1. 33 minus 1, it means 32. So now total number of students in his class is 32. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 16. In the following question, figure showing sequence of folding and cutting a paper are given, which could resemble the figure in the answer figure. So find the unfolded paper. So unfold the paper in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first unfold this paper. So this paper will be unfolded in this direction because this paper has been folded in this direction. So first unfold this paper. So when unfold this paper, then we get a image like this. And mirror image of this part looks something like this. Now unfold this paper. Unfold. This paper will be unfolded in this direction because this paper has been folded in this direction. So when unfold this paper, then we get a image like this. Mirror image of this part. Mirror image of this part looks something like this. And now mirror image of this part looks something like this. This is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So here option C is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.